Welcome to this comprehensive overview of the BitLox cryptocurrency wallet, one of the most secure and private crypto wallets available today. In this video, we'll explore the features and benefits of BitLox, highlighting why it's an essential tool for safeguarding your cryptocurrency assets. BitLox is a hardware wallet renowned for its military-grade encryption, sleek design, and ability to store multiple cryptocurrency wallets in a single device. This wallet is perfect for both beginners and experienced crypto enthusiasts who prioritize security and privacy. Starting with its robust encryption technology, BitLox ensures that your private keys remain entirely offline, reducing exposure to hacking risks. The wallet supports a variety of cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and others, making it versatile for diverse portfolios. It offers a user-friendly interface with intuitive navigation, allowing users to manage their digital assets with ease. One of the standout features of BitLox is its compatibility with multiple operating systems, including Windows, macOS, Linux, and even mobile devices via dedicated apps. The device itself is compact and durable, crafted to withstand physical wear and tear. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign up link and bonus for new users is in the description. In addition to hardware security, BitLox offers hidden wallets for added privacy, ensuring your sensitive transactions remain concealed. Its advanced features include seed-phrase backup and PIN protection, giving users confidence that their funds are secure even if the device is lost or stolen. The wallet's support for Tor and Tails integration provides an extra layer of anonymity, making it an excellent choice for users who value discretion. The BitLox setup process is straightforward, guiding users step by step through wallet creation and key generation. You can access your funds anytime, anywhere, thanks to its seamless connectivity options. Whether you're storing Bitcoin for the long term or actively trading, BitLox provides the tools you need to stay in control of your digital assets. If you want more in-depth reviews and updates on the latest crypto tools, subscribe to the channel and smash the like button below. Stay tuned for more content that will keep you informed and ahead in the crypto world.